Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the installation process for your Simply online smart door lock. First things first, let's begin by installing the Mortise. You'll secure it with 4 screws. Ensure they're all tightly secured. Don't forget the 5th screw. It should connect to the cylinder through the designated hole. Next, insert the square shaft and install the 2 lock sleeves on the front lock. Now thread the main line through the door hole and install the front lock securely. Once that's done, attach the baseboard to the door and secure it with screws for added stability. Now let's install the tail ruler. Next up, connect the wires as instructed to ensure proper functionality. After that, put on the back faceplate of the lock and screw it into place securely. Lastly, insert the battery and replace the battery cover. And there you have it. Your Simply online smart door lock is now installed and ready to use. Thanks for watching.